Ashikpa community is located about 3 kilometers from Semeboda in Badagry West Local Council area of Lagos State. The land was discovered in the 18th century by a settler. He migrated from the old Oyo Empire in search of a greener pasture.
This Ashikpa, our forefathers, 500 years ago, we don't create this Ashikpa. So, still today, we will decide. So, our forefathers didn't get this Ashikpa before they born many persons, before reach us till today.
Okay. Do you know the name of the first person that stepped this Ashikpa?
My forefather, I know my forefather because we are many at this Ashikpa. We are many. I know my forefather. Shifa Deshino, Kwaganu, Fiwaganu, Shifa Deshino, Fiwaganu. It's my forefather.
What language do you speak?
We speak Egun and Yoruba.
Ashikpa community is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean, and like many other coastal areas, the indigenes of Ashikpa are basically farmers.
We do fishing, we have coconuts, and we have ocean. We used to call a hule. So every year we used to go there and worship him. And the fish in that ocean, nobody can eat it. No matter how you cook it, the fish will not die.
Our food, we do eat eba and akpra. Akpra is a kind of fufu, the way Yoruba people do prepare fufu, but this one they cook it live, made from cassava. So it's a borrowed fruit from Ghana. So it's the Ghanaian food, but it's part of our food here. We also eat because right from time our forefathers they mixed with most of Ghanaians. That is why we are very used to that food. But our major food after that, akpra and gari, we eat. We do prepare vegetable soup. We also prepare goosey soup. We prepare ordinary soup without anything mixed with it.
As development continued to thrive in the area, Ashikpa attracted more settlers from within and outside the shores of the country. Although the great potentials may still be hidden to many. I'm sitting on one of the canoes belonging to some indigenes of Ashikpa community in Semeboda area of Badagry local government of Lagos. Well, it will interest you that this is just one of the rural communities in this area that many don't really know about. We were coming on our way from Semeboda when we saw this community, and we decided to stop by and see what is in here. Of course, as you can see, there are a lot of tourist potential that are yet to be tapped in this area. Ashikpa community is a coastal area that has a vast land mass which could also serve as a tourist destination. But such dreams, the villagers said, may still be hidden for the lack of basic infrastructures and government participation in the area.
We have been trying to make sure that we construct the road, but we don't have much finance to finance the road. We are urging the government, we are pleading to them, they are welcome into this Ashikpa community. If they can be able to come and make the Bar Beach more comfortable for people to come and relax as a leisure place, we welcome industries. We have enough coconut trees where they can produce biscuits and every other materials, every other items from. They can also produce salt from having the sea water. They can produce salt. We have enough land whereby they can construct industries. We are good kind people. We love people. We are very peacekeeping. We can never hear that we Ashikpa people are making war or fighting or destroying things here and there. So therefore we are urging the government. They are most welcome.
As people whose origin is traceable to the old Oyo Empire, The culture of the people of Ashikpa community is not different from the Yoruba lineage, who are also the descendants of Oodua.
From Oyo, from my forefather from Oyo, down to Ikishi from Oyo Empire, old Oyo Empire, Ikishi forefather. So from Oyo down to Ogun State, from Iyewa, Igbeji land, from Ogun State down to Benin, the people of Benin. From Benin, we come back to the Dahomey war that time, come back to the Kwame Kingdom. From Kwame Kingdom, land to Ashikpa.
There is a mystery which the villagers said is yet to be unraveled. It is the incursion of the Osha Ashikpa. As explained by the village head, Osha Ashikpa was inherited by them from their forebears in the 18th century. Although the physical appearance of the deity was never revealed to any man, yet the footprints as over the years serve as an evidence for the mysterious appearance.
So if the time reach now, you go from inside this place, went to inside sea 3 months before you come back to the inside. This is the road. After the 3 months, we do anniversary for him. We come here, we dance, do everything. We keep white goat for him. So from there, everybody dance. Many things will come to the village. When strangers, everybody get together. If the time when water go full now, you will see. If the water full, now you go. Water not full, no they go. So the time when we won't do everything, the sacrifice for him, so everybody go wear white.
Even though no one has ever had a physical encounter with this spiritual being, which appears once in a year, yet Osha Ashikpa has always left traces of a transition.
We know from our forefather. So every year, we must go inside the sea. After we wake up for morning, we see the hole. Go to inside the sea. That's all.
And after that, what?
So 3 months, you come back to the inside. The fish inside, you can't cook it. If you cook it, it can't done.
As a mark of commitment, the shrine of Osha Ashikpa is often kept sacred for supplications by those looking for the fruits of the womb, economic stability, rain in times of droughts, as well as victory in times of war. Ashikpa, during its years, brings peace and bountiful harvest to the land.
Any woman, if you don't see get belly, he come in that time, he pour the water for belly like this. So within 3 months, God will do miracle.
Although the physical appearance of the deity has never been revealed to anyone, yet its footprints as over the years serve as evidence for its mysterious transition. Another interesting aspect of Ashikpa community is Zangbeto. As an oracle that is common to the people of Badagry, Zangbeto has many functions, ranging from protection of the territory, celebration of special occasions, and for entertainment of guests, amongst others.
meaning of Zangbeto is a cultural name of the spirit. Zangbeto just there for security of obas and ballets and the whole community, because then they rob in the night. So in the night like this, our big men they get rest of mind to sleep well, so we can take that Zangbeto secure the community.
Okay. How often does it come out? When does it come out? Is it every time? Does it come out every time?
It's not every time, but now every time they won't say it, because a security man can never tell a go community say that now so data won't come out because of the thief. It's a spirit. Now if you like, now I can perform only once. I can perform only one spirit for you now where people go see am.
It is believed that as a deity, Zangbeto has the power to foresee future occurrence and help to avert any danger therein. What exactly is embedded in the triangular-shaped oracle? This demonstration, I guess, will provide answer to the question.
They pour the water, the spirit can never get power, because now the water is not the ordinary water that then they pour for him body. It's a cultural something where we can see for our forefather hand. As the show progresses, Zangbeto gave the handful of onlookers a pleasant surprise as she delivers a bouncing baby Zangbeto. Funny, I guess.
Good day. Small bit,
ìdílé bẹ́ẹ̀ ní bouncing baby.
Good day. Small bit,
It will be recalled that Zangbeto Asef has a magical power of projecting into the future. If so, is there any message for the NTA crew?
àṣeyege ló máa jẹ́ ti yín o ẹ máa délé láyọ̀ àtàláfíà o. ó ní òun tún tọrọ ìrànlọ́wọ́ kan díẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín pé bí ẹ̀yin kan ṣe ń gbà lórí afẹ́rẹ́ tí gbogbo ìlú ti ń wò yín tó ń gbówó yín lórí tẹ́rì pé àwọn tó gbọ́kọ́ tún máa gbọ́ ìtòun ránṣẹ́ o.